So if you are someone who want to get into the LinkedIn, first of all, sorry for my voice, I have a little bit I am a little bit ill today, and that is why I'm not able to make clear audio and clear video for you guys. Just sorry for that. But the main motive of making this video is, if you really want to get into LinkedIn and build your brand out there are just few steps by which you can literally make your post viral on LinkedIn. In this very video I'll be talking about that same, so stick to the very end and follow these steps to make your post viral on LinkedIn. And let's now get into this video. But before that, if you are new to the channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon, because the videos coming in the future will be totally regarding freelancing or internship or just building something around that. So let's get into this video and talk about how you can literally make your posts viral in the LinkedIn. So the first step would be to specifically choose your category. Now that you have choose the category, search your category on the search button. For example, I search for content writing, then I search for content writing. There will be different posts around the content writing. If you want to build connections with the content writers around there, you have to just search for that keyword in the LinkedIn. There will be a bunch of posts coming down, and for each and every post there is comment section. You have to react, you have to write something on that, like cool, you're doing great, or something related to the post. You have to write something and make engagement with that post, and that is how you're going to get the clients or get the connections built with the copywriters or the content writers. Now that you have literally commented something, just add a connection to that person. So this is how you have to do first and best step. Secondly, post around the trending hashtags. Now that you have understand the main motive of literally making the trends going viral, first would be just literally search for trending hashtags in your category. Now, being a content writer, what the trending hashtags would be: a content writer is the best hashtag content writer. Then second would be freelancing, or copywriters, or content creators, or search for jobs, and many more things. Search for these hashtags, and literally on internet or Google, just type trending hashtags for copywriters on LinkedIn. You will get websites talking about that, and just copy that and paste it in your post and create posts for those hashtags. We have to do this for every single day, consecutively, consistently, and that is what is going to bring you trending post or bring you viral post every single day. But the thing is, guys, you have to be consistent with what you are doing. What you have to do: firstly, comment down each and every post that you get on the trending hashtags or in your category. Secondly, create a post around the trending hashtags. And thirdly, do it consistently every single day. Just start connecting with these people out there in your category, and that is what makes it really interesting that your posts are becoming or going to become viral just because of these few steps. And that is what you have to do every single day. And after that, I am getting the results also, and you will also get the results as soon as possible. Just follow these steps, be patient, and just be consistent with what you do on LinkedIn. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something valuable from this video. If you so, hit the like button, subscribe now for more such videos. And sorry for my audio, I know that my voice is not clear today, or that is because of my cough and stuff like that. It is not clear today, but I hope in the upcoming videos you will get values from videos. And to be honest, the next video will be very informative for you guys. If you want to learn about how to speak in English fluently, communication skill, and many more things, the next video will be very informative for you guys, very helpful, very important for you guys. So do watch the next video coming after this video. If you're watching this video after 8 July, then you have probably the video is uploaded. You can check that out. The video is talking about how to improve your English skills, communication skills, and many more things. Do watch the video. And now subscribe for more such videos coming in the future. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.